God, I got a good picture now. They're really trying to get in. They're trying to get this flying squirrel out of its nest, and they're aggravating the hell out of him. And he ain't budging. See him sticking his head out. Got the female and the male bluebirds. Man, they want that box back bad. I mean, there must be all bluebirds everywhere flying around the window here. I mean, they're everywhere, hanging on the limbs. They're all taking turns harassing it. I need to go out there and just, you know what I want to do is get a glass jar and stick it over the hole and tap the box and make them jump in it. Oh, look at them.
Look at it, almost face to face, essentially. I wish there was a way we could make that bluebird box predator safe. You know, or well, actually, there is a way.
What, to keep the flying squirrel out?
No, to keep raccoon or anything from getting the bluebirds once they go in there.
Oh, my hand's worn out.